I think so.
It's gonna be locked down on your brakes, so it ain't going nowhere until the brakes are going up and down.
It's supposed to run. Yeah, we checked the fluids yesterday.
Okay. Nothing. You got a button you mash or a kill switch? Or...
I got blinking lights. Do not shift.
That's your brake. It won't go off till you pop up. What's these two switches over here above the switch about? Red and orange light.
Working lights. And that one doesn't say anything. Battery voltage is too low.
You don't hook the cables up?
Yeah, we don't even have 10 volts.
We charge them, but you know, they probably need more charging.
I just realized that. They're dead as can be.
Look at that light.
Yeah. Okay. New batteries. So I brought the Rex Silverado over here and put life support on these batteries, and they've been on it for about 15 minutes now. And I've been in the truck sort of revving it a little, seeing what's gonna happen. That voltage is still too low. It's finally got enough power in it to run the transmission computer and everything, because that light's not flickering, and that one finally picked a gear. Let's see what happens if I hit the key. Not quite enough yet, Tim. That CRV is gonna run out of gas long before we get them cables on there.
What?
I said that CRV is gonna run out of gas long before we get them cables on there. About the time you get it all hooked up, it'll sputter out.
Hopefully not.
We'll try again in a second. Nah, almost. All right. Turn the radio off because YouTube don't like copywritten music. So I got the batteries in the back. Got some money. Let's go and get us new batteries. And then hopefully that thing's gonna crank. There's a BMW got in yesterday. I don't know if I'll film it or not. It's pretty much a basket case. That's all the new arrivals right there. But we're playing with the dump truck. I mean the dump truck, the trash truck. So let's go see David. We ended up having to come over here to the AutoZone because apparently that's where, where's the key switch? Apparently that's where the first two batteries come from, which is fine. It's all fine and dandy. They warrantied them out for me. No big deal, but now they only had two of them in stock and I need a third one. That truck's supposed to take 3 batteries. So now we're gonna go and see Potato Dave at O'Reilly and see if we can't snag a third battery of the same style that'll work in that truck. So, to O'Reilly. All right. We're all connected. Let's see what happens. Okay, I can't hear a freaking thing with this damn thing sitting here idling, so I'm moving it real quick. About tired of hearing it idling right in my freaking ear. I can't hear what the truck's doing, nothing. Here you go. I got some broken glass in my ass. Let's not do that. Brake. Slow but steady wins the race. Somebody want to reach over there and flip that switch up? Go a little faster? No? Okay. Okay. That'll work. Okay. Let's try this again now that we can hear the truck. So, do not shift, oil. I got some, I don't know what that stuff is for. Everything else looks okay. We're not hitting a lick. I don't know if it's because it's really cold outside. Am I forgetting something? Or do we have an issue with the truck? I don't see a fuel shut or anything like that. I'm sure somebody in the comments is screaming at me, "You idiot! You're supposed to press this button and..." Something's not right. All right, we'll pick this back up in a second. Let me look around. Yeah. Let's do our batteries. All right, change the setup on the batteries. You ready?
You ain't running long off as much as you spraying.
Nope. Not yet. Hold on, guys. Bled the fuel lines on it twice. It's got a pressure pump right there. You can manually prime the system up. I knocked both the lines loose. Bled the snot out of it. And after doing both of that, we ethered it and it fired. Let's see. Oh, okay. It's wanting to so bad, but it can't. Let's try to bleed it again. All right, so I've got too much other stuff to do today. So this is where I'm leaving off on part one. The trash panda is just apparently not gonna run for me today. It tries so hard, and sometimes it'll catch itself up to an idle, and then it just cuts out. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna let it rest for the night. We'll try again tomorrow. So will the auction buy trash truck run? As of part one? No, not really. Still got them free shovels. That makes it worth all the batteries and ether that I have to put in it. Compactor's still on there. Looks like a newer compactor than the rest of the truck. Maybe a refurbished unit, I don't know. Whew. Leak some oil. It's always good when they leak oil. All right, good night, Trash Panda. We'll try again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.